this coming Friday, my new 2-hour masterclass, Fear is Optional, How to Choose Courage and Create Your Future. Because, first off, everybody likes a good growth experience. We've been watching movies together on Fridays. It's a good opportunity to help outgrow the status quo and learn some methods, some tools, some strategies, and tactics on overcoming fear. It's free because I think it's the first step for everybody. If you can't be free of your fears and those frustrations that come along with not understanding or having a method to learn things, you're not going to have much freedom in your life. Like, that's the first step. And from there, it frees you up to take action and risk some failure to get the things you need and be able to build your skills. But if you can't get off the first square because you're scared or you have learned helplessness or scarcity mentality, you're not going to be able to be making any moves in the game that are constructive and in your benefit, right? You're not writing your own script in life if you're living subservient to irrational fears, right? There is a place in fear that relates to freedom and it helps you preserve freedom. These irrational fears that they've instilled upon us through the indoctrination process, they're not useful. They don't help you defend your freedom. They actually cause you to lose your freedom. So it's the first place we want to draw a line in the sand and say, no further. We're going to say no fear, no fear, no fear. We're going to learn how to evict fear. And that's a big part of the solutions to the things we were pointing out in the 2010, what you've been missing. So while back then we saw what was going on, we saw the problem, we got to the root causes, and we're pointing toward, hey, somebody needs to implement these solutions. There needs to be a comprehensive, conscious curriculum that helps people reinstill the critical thinking, creative problem solving, the ability to see a problem, analyze it, overcome it, conquer it, and keep on moving toward your goals. So I think that's a fundamental part of being an American or just a free person any place on the planet. And if you don't know how to deal with those things between your ears, you're going to have a tough time navigating reality and other people who also don't know how to navigate such things between their ears.